exciting stuff's going down right now. All right, you guys, we are about to do something that we've never done before, right, Paul?
Right.
What are we doing?
We're headed to Sema.
And we've got in tow with us Chad and Stacy from Chad's Fab. Ben's in the back. You're supposed to be like, are we there yet?
Oh, it's coming, don't worry.
We've never been here before. We don't know what to expect. I know we're like in the 2000s booth, so apparently there's a lot of booths at this place. There's over 2,000 booths. How many booths do you think there are?
4 city blocks.
We're gonna be there for 2.5 days. So it should be a good time, right guys?
Right.
Yeah.
So,
There yet.
Let's go. So we made it to St. George. We're gonna eat some Carl's Jr. because it was the closest thing, and that's what we're eating. All right. Ah! Oh my gosh! Why do you have to be stupid? Okay, well anyways, we got us some lunch and we're off to Vegas, right?
yep.
We're out of here.
Lunch and a heart attack.
Oh my gosh. We made it to Vegas.
Here we are.
Now we're in traffic. So we'll see if we make it.
Oh, we'll make it somewhere.
We're here, but we're not there.
We're not sure where here it is.
We're just gonna walk till we get there. Okay, we can't be far because there's 24. There's 24, so gotta be right in here somewhere. There it is. Okay, Michelle found it.
Oh, yeah.
Hi. Sorry.
We got here. And
we made it. We found it.
that's
did.
all we filmed.
We didn't do any.
Sorry. We
But-
suck at our jobs.
I failed.
There's a lot of people here. There's a lot of stuff here, and
We'll
there's
do
a
better.
lot.
We'll do better tomorrow. We'll
Tomorrow
show you
we'll
some
give you
cool
some.
stuff.
Yeah.
So,
We're going to the Airbnb right now.
buy some food.
It's pretty empty in here because it ended at 5. So we're just making our way out to the parking lot currently. So we are headed back to our car 1.5 miles away because there's no parking here, any. So we got checked into our Airbnb. Now we're at Red Lobster.
Oh, yeah.
I'm tired.
We've walked 500 miles today, at least.
Like
Or
6.
We just had to, we had to use wheelbarrows to get out.
We ate a lot. It was delicious.
It was.
Surf and turf and endless shrimp treated us good tonight.
Yep. Now we're off to go sleep it off. Day 2 of Sema, and we slept real good last night because we all got way more exercise than we normally do. So now we woke up, we got ready somewhat, and we're going to breakfast because you know what? There's really nothing better than a good breakfast.
Look at that, a 1-ton Chevy. We should knock on that door.
No, you shouldn't.
No, we should knock on that door. It's an ambulance. Call an ambulance.
There was a cool truck that.
There's a pinto wagon up here too.
There it is. Isn't she a beaut? Ben, how we doing back there?
I'm good. I'm
How's
braced.
Paul's driving skills?
Just braced on the sides. We're good.
Oh, there's shoes up there. That's weird. We were testing out.
That's what I'm eating.
Oh yeah, we're
Coconut
testing out
cream
Blueberry Hill in Vegas.
Isn't that a song?
On Blueberry Hill.
They have chocolate Oreo pancakes.
We came to the right place.
Blow it all.
It's good hot chocolate.
It's delicious.
It's way good.
Yeah.
That's a wrap on breakfast.
We just ate way too much.
Hey,
Again.
but we're on vacation, right?
Yeah.
Not really. We're working.
I found my thrill on Blueberry Hill. Come on, Ben.
Nope.
Da,
No.
da, 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 da.
You ain't getting it. Maybe Paul can sing. He sings a
Da,
lot.
da, 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 da. Okay, so what are we doing right now?
We're stocking a square body Chevy. We're gonna get out and just take a gander at it. Just get shot. There's no motor. So, oh no, there is. It's a diesel.
The only issue that we're finding right now is this house doesn't look like anyone lives here.
On the floor.
I'd sit on the floor.
5-gallon bucket.
It's pretty good. It's not rotten. That right there's the best part of the whole truck.
Yeah, it is.
Dana 60.
I don't think anybody's home, so we'll have to try again.
What do we do?
What do you do?
All right, got back to the Airbnb, and apparently we've locked ourselves out of the Airbnb, if you can imagine that. So we're gonna break into, technically not breaking in because we already are here. Our stuff's in there. We just have to get in. So I'll leap the gate.
You're going to?
I'm a gate leaper.
Okay.
I'm
Get her done.
gonna set my mountain.
You got
Dew
2
down.
gates to go through.
All right.
Oh, whoa. Oh yeah! You will go now down in history as the man that opened the door. Do you guys know the movie I just quoted?
No, what was it?
What was the quote?
I will go down in history as the man that opened the door.
No.
Nothing?
Don't-
All right, you guys need to let us know in the comments. It's kind of a chick flick from the 90s. Exciting stuff's going down right now. We're going on our first Uber drive. It's all of our first time being in an Uber.
Indian.
Oh, he's arrived.
Here.
This is our very first Uber ride ever.
Oh really? Yeah. All of you?
Oh yeah.
Why?
We've never done this. We went to the convention center yesterday and parked 1.5 miles away and we were over it. So this seemed like the best route because you can just drop us off. Well, thanks for taking us because I didn't want to walk. That would be perfect to have in this convention center.
Can you imagine what they do if they turned me loose on one of those in the convention center?
That'd be so much fun. Did we just teleport back to the shop?
I think we're back at the shop.
There's a good reason, because we're gonna save you guys some money. Thanks to Upside for sponsoring this video.
Upside helps you with this inflated economy we have right now. I have the 2564 in my earnings right now, and I can cash out on any of these.
All the money you save from Upside helps me be able to afford for treats like zingers.
In comparison to credit card rewards or loyalty programs, you can earn 3 times more cash back with Upside.
You can cash out anytime in your bank account, PayPal, or an e-gift card at Amazon. And other brands.
Upside users are earning more than $1 million per week.
That's probably why they have a 4.8 rating on the App Store. To get started, download the free Upside app in the App Store or Google Play. Next, claim an offer for whatever you're buying on Upside. Check in at the business, pay as usual with a credit or debit card, and get paid.
Use my promo code FABRATS and get $5 or more cash back on your first purchase of $10 or more.
So download Upside today. Let's get back to Sema.
Let's do it.
Guys, look who we just ran into. Yeah,
Dave.
Fred and Dave. They know you. You don't have to introduce yourselves.
So, if you guys don't know, these guys have YouTube channels now.
Doing it. Check it out. Hang on. Fred, you talk for a second. Let me get my sticker out.
I went on the Rubicon with Dave.
I love how he's just like chill.
These stickers.
Look at that. They're just kind of fumbling the ball on YouTube right now, figuring it out. Oh, mine's the Dirthead Shed, and he's 4x Fred Williams.
There you go.
So, it's all
You guys
good.
need to go check that out. We were told from our kids we had to find this car. So apparently this is Whistling Diesel's car. It's pretty cool. Looks like he has a problem with the windshield though. He'd fit right in with the FJ. The FJ used to look just like that, even worse. Whistling Diesel doesn't even have kids, so I don't know who would have done that. You guys have probably seen in our videos the machine that we use probably every single day, which is the belt sander, right?
Lots, yeah, I use that thing tons.
This is where you can find it. Ameribraid. These are the boys you guys need to talk to. You guys go to Ameribraid.com, right?
That's right. Yeah.
Yeah, so you guys go over there. We literally use the belt sand. Well, I don't. Paul does.
I use it all the time. So.
Yeah. One of our favorite machines in the shop. Go check it out.
All right, we're just wandering through Sema. We ran into Steve. He's going to take us out and, Steve Darnell from Welder Up. He's going to take us out and show us his truck. So we'll go check it out.
You're on.
Hey,
I love his outfit.
this guy
It looks
comes
awesome.
every year in something new. You know, the models here kept trying to talk me into wearing a miniskirt tomorrow. Nurse, black PVC, shiny things.
Do it. Do it.
Welder Up, he had a truck called Swamp before. He sold it and he built this one. This thing's pretty sweet.
Was Cynthia, and did you used to drive the Monster Truck?
Yeah, so I drive for 7 years the Monster Dalmatian, and now I drive the Lucas Stabilizer monster truck.
Dude, she drives a monster truck, you guys. That's amazing.
Maybe one day you'll do backflip with me in the truck.
Yeah. Tiny little car. That's cool.
I can hear rev limiter and tire smoke and we're going there.
Sounds like Paul.
Go towards the smoke.
It's like a burnout in the 42 again. I may have just fallen in love. Sorry, Michelle. I think I have. This is the best looking truck in this whole place. Holy crap. This is it. This is as good as it gets. Oh man.
What do you think?
This is the best.
Okay,
rig
I
in
like this
whole
one right
place.
here.
Yeah, that's cool. It's clean.
Oh man.
Love how it's not so over the top.
Like the height of this?
It's on air ride.
Alright.
You just hit a switch and it comes up.
Perfect.
I think that's a wrap on Sema. I think we've saw, we pretty much did everything you can do
It's 5 o'clock. It's closing.
with the time that we have. So we're out of here. Let's go find an Uber and go.
All right, Uber ride number 2 for the day. Hey, Paul.
Hey, Michelle.
Say hi.
Hi.
We're headed over to eat some hibachi
We're eating again.
at a restaurant. Yep, that's all we're doing. We're just eating this whole time. Who's gonna shut this?
Me, that's my job.
Chad? So we made it to the hibachi restaurant. It was a little concerning because there's currently not a wall. But we talked to some locals and they said this is a good place to eat. All of these pictures are of celebrities that have eaten here, so
You guys look.
we're good. There goes the eyebrows.
You would never notice it right here. Construction. Little hole in the wall.
Yeah.
But it was
It's
good.
dang good.
Oh yeah.
Vegas, we're out. Well,
We're going.
we're close to out. We're gonna head to Bass Pro Shop because we're in town and there's good stuff there I need, I'm sure.
I mean, you can't go to Vegas without Bass Pro Shop.
That's what I'm thinking. We don't really have that option in Glendale. There is no shop of any kind in Glendale.
We have
So
all our stuff.
I think we're good. So, peace out.
Chad's our garage door getter.
Look at it.
Oh, he got it. No, I didn't get it.
Duck! What's going down right now?
We're leaving a card at this house.
Luckily, it doesn't say for a good time.
Do you guys think that anybody's gonna call?
I'm
What are the
wondering.
chances?
Looks like it's
Yeah, it's like nobody
abandoned.
lives there.
Yeah.
What are the odds?
Slim to none, but if we didn't leave it, it was none. We're here. Shell, tell us what we're getting.
Nothing. I'm literally
That's
getting
not
nothing.
true. All right, so we've got some stuff.
That we didn't need.
Oh, we needed this. Stacy just hooked us up with a cart.
And sneaker balls.
So normally when people come to Vegas, they go to the casinos, they go to a few shows. Not us. We go to Bass Pro Shop
And dream about boats.
and
we
look
can't
at
afford.
boats. We're done with Bass Pro Shop. We gassed up. We ate some lunch. I think we're ready to roll.
Glendale bound.
3.5 hours and we'll be home.
We're about to Kanab, and I bought a rollback the other day. It was a killer deal. I mean, you gotta buy good stuff when it comes up. So, I don't know what I'm gonna do with this thing yet. We're gonna go pick it up right now.
I can't wait to have it in my backyard.
That's my new ride. Peace out. She's a jewel. All right.
Heater works good.
Heater works good. The window doesn't. We may some relays tripping under there pretty bad. I don't know. We'll figure it out. It's gonna be a good truck though.
So I'm sure you guys have noticed a couple of comments about this Operation Yellow Submarine.
Oh, I've noticed. What's that?
I want you guys to put in the comments what you think it could be.
Let's
Put
see
it
what
in the
that is.
comments about what kind of vehicle it is.
I know what it is.
You guys are gonna love it. You're
It's
gonna
gonna be
love this
awesome.
It's gonna
story.
be cool.
So Sema was a pretty good time, right?
We ate a lot. That seems like every time we did anything, we were eating.
We ate.
We ate a lot.
We ate the whole time. But it was really cool
That
to
was
see
awesome.
something that you guys worked super hard at getting done,
Yeah.
like at Sema, which
Yeah.
is the #1 automotive.
Anywhere, yeah.
Yeah,
That's the go-to is Sema.
right.
The Nugget fit in. It was good there.
It was. People loved it. And you picked up a rollback on the way home.
Yeah. Got me a new rollback. Hey, old scouts. You
Come here.
on in?
Come on.
dog.
Thanks for watching.
Ooh, you get them the